Hey guys, it's Becca. Welcome back to Cute Polish. Today I'll be showing you 3 different color blocking designs you can do using regular tape. So let's get started. This is our first design, and for this one we're going to start off with a base coat and then 2 coats of beige polish. Scotch tape is obviously sticky, and unlike striping tape, which is made for nails, it'll pull up the polish if you put it straight onto the nail. So to make it less sticky, stick it onto your hand first before putting it onto the polish. Use 2 pieces of tape to block off a triangle going across the nail and fill it in with neon blue. Immediately remove the tape and use a nail art brush to clean up the edges as needed. Use another piece of tape to section off another triangle under the first one. Use a nail art brush to outline the parts of the triangle not touching the tape, and then fill it in with neon pink. For the last section, apply a piece of tape following the upper edge of the triangle and fill the bottom of the nail in with light pink. Sealing your design with a top coat. For the next design, we'll be making a negative space semicircle, so take your piece of tape and use scissors to cut out a rectangle with one rounded end. Apply the tape to the nail and paint the whole nail neon blue. Remove the tape immediately when you're finished. When the polish is completely dry, apply a piece of tape to the left 2/3 of the nail and fill in the remaining third with white. Remove the tape and fix the edges with a nail art brush as needed. Sealing your design with a top coat. The last design also uses negative space, so after applying a base coat and letting it dry, apply a piece of tape to the left half of your nail and paint the remaining half green. Remove the tape and wait for it to dry. You can skip this step if you used a good 1-coat polish, but to get the exact shade of green I wanted, I had to do the same thing again and paint over the polish with a neon green. Next, use 3 pieces of tape to make a rectangle horizontally across 2/3 of the nail and fill it in with black polish. Remove the tape and finish it off with a glossy top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. Let us know in the comments below which of these 3 designs was your favorite. You can watch more videos on Cute Polish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.